Yo, what's up YouTube? Thank you for checking out another video here from Forex for Beginners. We just want to go ahead and show you real quick what's happening today in our signals group. So we sent out a signal here for XAU USD, as you can see right there, and I just want to show you guys what happened for that signal. Alright, so right now I have my MetaTrader 4 open. The broker that I'm using is XNES. Best broker in the world. They have super fast withdrawals, low minimum deposits as low as $10, and they can trade indices, crypto, and Forex shares, as well as I believe some stocks as well. So it's a very versatile broker. I really recommend it. They have really low spreads. That's the best thing. A lot of your trades more likely will hit take profit, especially when combined with our signals. This broker is gold. Alright, so if you want to join up with them, the link for that will be in the description. Alright, so jumping into this video, guys, I just want to show you real quick what is happening in our Telegram group. This signal group is totally free, guys. Alright, and the link for that is in the description. So we send out a signal for XAU USD. We try to send 3 take profits and a stop loss. Alright, additionally to that, when you're using our signals, if you are a beginner or a first timer, you don't know anything, this is your first time using signals, I highly recommend just checking out the pin post. It guides you step by step from getting your the best broker, which is XNES or FBS, for Forex pairs, and then for synthetic indices, of course, you have the RIP. Alright, so check out the pin post once you get into the group, and just follow the steps, get your broker, make your deposit, all of that. Alright, and then you'll be good to go. Additionally, I want to show you guys our risk management strategy, which is also included in the group. I'm telling you guys, it's just gems on top of gems in our Telegram group, because I made sure to do the research for you. I made sure to make these signals as easy as possible for you. Alright, so I provided risk management strategies based on account balances that you may join our group having. Alright, and then coupled with that, like I said, you have 3 take profit zones and a strategy, a take profit strategy, which I also implement, showing you how to use your trailing stop just to secure maximum profit and keep your account going consistently. Alright, so all of that is in our Telegram group, like I said, guys. But let's go ahead and check out what is happening for the signal we sent out today for XAU USD. Alright, so I closed out most of the trades right now. These were the trades that we sent out for XAU USD. Let me see if I can get right back to that. So these were the profits we were looking at earlier today with the XAU USD signal we sent out. Alright, surefire profits, guys. Surefire profits. And I want to analyze with you just as to why we took this trade. Okay, so using my markup tool right here, this is my little tool. You can use TradingView if you like. It's just that I use MetaTrader, and this is more convenient with MetaTrader. So if we should draw an imaginary trend line, we can see that the XAU USD pair has been bullish, alright, this entire time, and I'm looking at the 1 hour chart. So when we saw this signal come in, right, when we saw this signal come in the Telegram group saying we should buy XAU USD, we know that the signal is completely accurate. And why is that? Because we already know, guys, that the trend is currently going up, right? The trend is currently going up, seeking higher prices. All right, so it's doing this. It's doing this, right? It's doing that. So we then can make our analysis based off that and say that this will be a very strong move, because the trend is already pro trend. And I'm going to go ahead and start releasing fundamental videos as to support and resistance, momentum, pivot points in the market, stuff like that. But for now, I really wanted to just go ahead and provide you guys with the necessary info as to how you can make more accurate analysis using our signals, all right, and just be more profitable. So, for example, if we saw, you know, for some reason, let's see, for some reason, oh my God, this thing, the trend was bullish, all right. So for some reason, the trend was bearish, I should say. The trend was going down, right? And we got a sell signal for XAUSD, right? We would know that then that would be a strong signal, because the signal is a pro trend signal, right? So the majority of the trend would be bearish, so that in sense would make it a more accurate signal. I don't know if you guys understood what I just said, or you got what I'm trying to say from that, but I'll be releasing more videos in the near future. I'll probably release another video later today, I'm not sure, but that is the aim, just to kind of get you guys up to speed, all right, and being profitable traders. So hey guys, just wanted to make this quick video and just to let you know that the Telegram group is going and it is on fire, and the signals are just hitting TPs. That's all I'm seeing right here. TP smash, TP smash. So much TP smashing, man. It's driving me crazy, bro. But yeah guys, don't miss out on this for 2023. Hit me up in the Telegram group at Pablo Pips of X. Until next time, happy trading.